Friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. Welcome back to the new video. Again, I am making this video. This is the new concept. As you will see in the last video that you have already seen, I have made a conversation between the two people. So same format I am using today to make some sentences in English and German. How to make these sentences, how to speak the sentences in English as well as in German. So person will speak in English and one person will say in German. So this you have to learn how to make sentences in English and German in both the languages. Exactly, it's a translation of the sentences from one language into another. So we'll take up basic sentences so that you learn and catch easily. So let's start with this learning process. What is this? Was ist das? Where do you live? Wo wohnen Sie? Where are you from? Woher kommen Sie? Who is this? Wer ist das? This is my friend. Das ist mein Freund. He lives in Berlin. Wohnt in Berlin. We play together. Wir spielen zusammen. We are learning German. Wir lernen Deutsch. My father is doctor. Mein Vater ist Arzt. I am reading book. Ich lese Buch. This is my brother. Das ist mein Bruder. So these are the sentences as you have seen how to make these sentences in English and German. जर्मन में ing वाला फॉर्मेशन नहीं होता है, लाइक आई एम लिविंग, आई एम रीडिंग. सो एम और रीडिंग दो वर्ब एक साथ नहीं पढ़ेंगे. इश लेजर इट मीन्स आई एम रीडिंग. कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस जो इंग्लिश में है वो जर्मन में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है. एम और ing सेंटेंस नहीं होता है. तो विल राइट द मेन वर्ब विच इज रीड. इश लेजर, इश स्पीलर, इश केयर. सो ing वाले सेंटेंस जर्मन में नहीं होते हैं. एक ही वर्ब को यूज़ करते हैं, मेन वर्ब. आई एम रीडिंग तो एम नहीं लिखेंगे, सिंपल इश लेजर मीन्स आई एम रीडिंग. So this is the video about the small translation German to English and English to German. I'll bring some more videos like the similar concept or on the same format so that you can see the translation and you can see how to make the sentence in both the language. What is the sentence formation, what is the sentence structure, and how is it different from each other. So see you next time with a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.